po natin, syempre, ang mami. Ayan, to have a picture naman, di ba, on stage. Sige po. Si Tita Babs, ayan po. So we hope next year, mag-event ulit kami ng ganito. May ipe-present po ulit kami sa inyo na award-winning na mga hinahawakan, hinahandle, tinitrace ng Donabel Couture and of course ng Shining Star House of Music. Hindi po ba? Okay! Ayan. Congratulations, Jessa. Congratulations din sa inyo. Let's have a training talaga, puspusang training. Okay, si Abby. Si Abby will also be an official candidate of the Singapore pageant. Okay, so yung po Singapore pageant po, we have here Miss Danalyn Espinosa. As I speak a while ago, she was the songbird of Southeast Asia. Last 2011 to 2012. Po yun kasi po yung title, ano niya. Okay, so she competed against Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore, and I guess ngayon po meron ng Nepal and China. Ayun, yun po yung mga naglalaban-laban sa Southeast Asia. Okay, ayan po. Ito po si Abby. Ayan. So ito po yung magiging delegation natin sa Singapore. So I guess under negotiation pa po ang paglaban sa Singapore nitong nasa tabi ko. Okay, so let's move on to the awarding. Can we have the certificates? Congratulations, Jessa, Abby, Sam, Paulo, and Argesaline. Okay, sorry, baby. Okay, let's move on to our awarding. Maybe have on stage Tita Bam. Tita Bam on stage. Okay, medyo shy type po si Tita Bam. Okay. Miss Donabel, can you please stay with me on stage because we are going to proceed with the awarding. Okay. Ito po ang citation. Donabel's Couture Summer Workshop hereby award the Certificate of Appreciation to the name of the workshopper for the completion of modeling, acting, and dancing workshop given this 17th day of May 2013 at SM City, Calamba. Signed, Mr. Reynold Anichete. Okay, let's call on Lisan Muel. Tama ba? Lisan Muel G. Abo. George Mar. Tama ba? George Mar Asul Katindig. May we have George Mar Asul Katindig. Wala? Okay. Let us have Maria Sandra Lolong. Congratulations. Okay, let us have Cyrene Kaulian. Angel Zyret Season. Erica May Pasayan. Margarita Eloisa Salcedo. Thank you nga pala sa ating technical. Maraming salamat, DJ. Margarita Eloisa Salcedo. Maria Abigail Moral. George Mara Azul Katindig. Kyle Ibanez. John Pauline Carpio. Paula Bernardino. Judy Austria. Angela May Quizon. Jiri May Season. Isabella Marie Salcedo. Caroline Arganda. Rejoice Gonzalez. Albert John Mikasa. Aaron John Bisaya. Charles Philip Salcedo. Javier Paulo Hamito. Angeline Patiga. Marco Daniel Flores. Joshua Mark Lara. Okay, now let's have Rodolfo Calacardo Jr. Anika Jasmine Leri. Nicole Coriz Banyares. Jemery Sabina Borcarce. Lay Marie Bersana. Mari Peserat. Dorothy Hanilet Perdido. Ira Linel Aradanas. Danaline Espinosa. Daphne Rosan Perdido. Mary Daniel Aris. Mary Daniel Aris. Bettina Escala. Ian Ray Quaresma. Siren Season. Okay, sorry. Donna Bowles Couture Summer Workshop Hereby Award Certificate of Achievement to Angel Siren Season, Most Talented Model, given this 17th day of May 2013 at SM City, Calamba. Signed, Reynold Anichete, owner. Let us also have Most Talented Model awarded to Javier Paulo Hamito. Julie Austria as Most Talented Model. Maria Sandara Lolong. Lisan Muel Abo. Kyle Ibanez. Paula Bernardino. Maria Abigail Molar. Charles Philip Salcedo. Cyrene Kawilan. Okay, certificate of participation to Mr. Vijay Relova, official candidate to the 2013 Ginoong Pilipinas Search. Given this 17th day of May 2013 at SM City, Calamba, signed by Mr. Reynold Anichete. Let us call on stage Daniela Isabel De Cinco. Jean Matt Bautista, official candidate to the 2013 Ginoong Laguna. Let us also have Ms. Jemery Sabina Barcarce. Jemery Sabina Barcarce. Ms. Erica Marie Pasayan. Erica Marie Pasayan. Nicole Banyares. Maria Abigail Molar. And also, let's call on Champagne Lean A. Nocedo. Certificate of participation to name for being the official model of Donna Bowles Couture. Let's call on Joshua Mark A. Lara. Maria Bettina Escala. Lester A. Valentino. Elijah Kent Santos. Pamela P. Bernardino. Claire Marie Pacardo. Paula Amparo. Angelica Almazan. Ian Ray Quaresma. Vera Andrea Baterisna. Piso. Camille Ignacio. Ren Mark Perez. Arturo Eslandicho II. Okay, now let's call on the official model of Donna Bowles Couture, Miss Okay, sige, later on yan. Later on. Surprise. Let us have certificate of appreciation to Ryan Olan, Meljan Mosca, Salve Elat, okay, this is a certificate of appreciation for the Donables Couture Angel, Ryan Olan, Meljan Mosca, Meljan, Salve Elat, Salvi Elat, sorry, I stand corrected, John Paul Bellarmino. Ito po mga tinatawag po mga Donables Couture Angels. Now let's have Oliver Mason. Okay guys, we would like to say thank you again sa ating mga kaibigan dito. So thank you so much to SM City Calamba, Marketing Department, of course, especially to Miss Lizelle Giray, the marketing head. Maraming salamat po. Let's also say thank you to Mary Midjatrix, House of Wedding Gowns by John Santos, Status One by John Paul Bellarmino, Event Organizer, Coordinator, and Florist. Miss Bambi Bernardino, Assistant Event Organizer, Shining Star House of Music. Donables Couture Angels, Donables Couture, Faye Bernardino for documentation of the event. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, thank you so much to all the parents who have supported this event. And thank you so much sa lahat po na nag-stay, nanood sa amin dito. Maraming salamat po. Wave muna tayo sa kanila, guys. Wave, wave, wave! Ayan, o sige, hindi mag-wave, tsaka. Thank you so much. I'm Maan, and I was your host, signing off. Thank you! Number. Mga late at hindi. Maraming salamat po. Donables Couture Workshoppers, thank you so much to the parents as well. Maraming salamat guys. And we're down to our last number, the production number of the Donables Couture model.
Gentleman. 알랑가 몰라 미끈해야 하는 건 잘랑가 몰라 새끈해야 하는 건 잘랑가 몰라 빨리 와서 난리네 알랑가 몰라 난리 났어 빨리 또 gentleman